What's up everyone? So as usual we have our unboxing buddy Dopey here. And today we're going to take a look at this automatic feeder from Wopet. I think this is going to be really useful for them to have their meal on time. And also, you know, it helps not to overfed them and give them like more healthier.
You're just being lazy.
Shh. So of course Taro and Dopey will be testing this feeder for us. Okay, so it's a simple unboxing. And this is the feeder itself. Comes with an outer tray, inner tray, and a charging cable, and of course some instructions. So this thing can be powered by batteries, which is just awesome, because I just hate cables. Then you put together the trays and you should be good to go. This is not a smart feeder, so you have to set everything up with it. First you set up the time. There are 4 meals in total you can set up with this feeder. So after you finish setting up the time, it will go through each meal in which you have to set up the portion and the feeding time one by one. And if you just want 2 meals per day, just set up the meal portion to 0 for the other 2. So as you can see here, we set up a test run at 10-12 p.m. and then we'll have to put food in there. I have to say it looks okay from outside, but this thing can hold food, like a lot. Okay, now we just wait. This is cool. And you can also record your voice with this feeder.
Taro, Dopey, time to eat.
So, you know, if you still want some connections with your pets, I guess you can do it. Okay, let's see if Taro and Dopey like it or not. The first meal comes on time, and of course our dog loves it. And Taro seems okay with it and knows this is the new food bowl. But for Dopey, I think he might need some time to get used to it. Okay, this is their second meal, and Taro, like before, is good with the feeder. Let's see if Dopey get it right this time. And here you go. Thanks for watching, and TDK will see you next time. Peace.